top 10 best fighter jets in the world 2023. Over the last decades, air forces have always been the first military component engaged in all crises or conflicts, from the Falklands to the Gulf, from Bosnia to Kosovo, from Afghanistan to Libya, and more recently Mali, the Central African Republic, Iraq, and Syria. Military aviation is undoubtedly the most strategic weapon today, both in terms of combat effectiveness and of critical technologies implemented. In modern warfare, air dominance from day one is a must, so that air-to-ground and air-to-sea operations can be conducted safely and efficiently. In the course of asymmetrical and counterinsurgency conflicts, the air arm also remains at the forefront of the military effort, its flexibility and firing power helping ensure that Allied forces prevail. In this article, we analyze the top 10 best fighter aircrafts in the world, ranked from worst to best as we go down, based on criteria including stealthiness, armament, speed, range, technology, and maneuverability. Number 10. Su-30M Flanker H Air Superiority Fighter. The Sukhoi Su-30M is a multi-role two-seater fighter, broadly comparable to the American F-15E. The Su-30MK is the export version of the aircraft. The fighter is a development of the Su-27 family, designed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau of Moscow, and is manufactured by the Irkut Corporation. The aircraft is equipped with similar avionics and thrust vectoring as the Su-37 for superior combat agility and maneuverability. The aircraft is armed with precision anti-surface missiles and has a standoff launch range of 120 kilometers. The Su-30MKI has a high-accuracy SAGEM Totem integrated global positioning system and ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system. The aircraft has 12 hardpoints for external payloads of up to 8,000 kilograms and can carry 1 or 2 mission pods, such as a laser designator or an anti-radiation missile guidance system. The aircraft has a TV command guidance system. The air-to-surface missile fits include 4 anti-radiation missiles, 6 laser-guided short-range missiles, or 6 short-range anti-surface missiles with television-controlled homing. The aircraft has a standoff launch range of up to 120 kilometers. For anti-surface ship missions, the aircraft is armed with a 1 Raduga 3M80E Moskit supersonic anti-ship missile. The aircraft normally carries 5,090 kilograms of fuel in 3 integral fuel tanks in the fuselage and a single integral split tank, with each half installed in the outer wings. The maximum fuel capacity of the aircraft is 9,400 kilograms. The aircraft is equipped with a flight refueling probe and a buddy-buddy refueling system. The combat range of the aircraft on internal fuel is 3,000 kilometers. With a single in-flight refueling procedure, the combat range is extended to 5,200 kilometers. The aircraft has hydraulically retractable tricycle-type landing gears supplied by Hydromash. The main landing gear, fitted with KT-156D single wheels, turns through 90 degrees to retract forward into the bay in the wing route. The main landing gear is fitted with hydraulically operated carbon disc brakes with an electric brake cooling fan and an anti-skid system. Number 9. Boeing F-15E Strike Eagle. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a dual-role fighter designed to perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. An array of avionics and electronic systems gives the F-15E the capability to fight at low altitude, day or night, and in all weather. The aircraft uses 2 crew members, a pilot and a weapons systems officer. Previous models of the F-15 are assigned air-to-air roles. The E model is a dual-role fighter. It has the capability to fight its way to a target over long ranges, destroy enemy ground positions, and fight its way out. The aircraft's navigation system uses a laser gyro and a global positioning system to continuously monitor the aircraft's position and provide information to the central computer and other systems, including a digital moving map in both cockpits. The APG-70 radar system allows aircrews to detect ground targets from long ranges. The low-altitude navigation and targeting infrared for night, or lantern, system allows the aircraft to fly at low altitudes, at night and in any weather conditions, to attack ground targets with a variety of precision-guided and unguided weapons. The Lantern system, consisting of 2 pods attached to the exterior of the aircraft, gives the F-15E unequaled accuracy in weapons delivery day or night and in poor weather. The targeting pod contains a laser designator and a tracking system that mark an enemy for destruction at long ranges. Once tracking has been started, targeting information is automatically handed off to GPS or laser-guided bombs. One of the most important additions to the F-15E is the rear cockpit with the weapons systems officer. On 4 screens, this officer can display information from the radar, electronic warfare, or infrared sensors, monitor aircraft or weapons status and possible threats, select targets, and use an electronic moving map to navigate. For air-to-ground missions, the F-15E can carry most weapons in the Air Force inventory. It also can be armed with AIM-9M Sidewinders or AIM-120 Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missiles, or AMRAAM for the air-to-air role. The E model also has an internally mounted 20mm gun that can carry up to 500 rounds. The F-15's superior maneuverability and acceleration are achieved through its high engine thrust-to-weight ratio and low wing loading. It was the first U.S. operational aircraft whose engine's thrust exceeded the plane's loaded weight, permitting it to accelerate even while in vertical climb. Number 8. Su-35 Flankery Multi-Role Fighter. The latest version of the Sukhoi Su-35, Su-35BM, is an advanced capability multi-role air superiority fighter developed from the Su-27. The aircraft has high maneuverability with a high angle of attack and is equipped with high-capability weapon systems that contribute to the new aircraft's exceptional dogfighting capability. Su-35 has a length of 21.9 m, wingspan of 15.3 m, and height 5.9 m. It has the capacity to carry maximum payload of 8,000 kilograms, and the aircraft can be operated by 1 person. The aircraft has a quadruplex, digital fly-by-wire control developed by the Avionica Moscow Research and Production Complex JSC. The pilot has 2 VHF-UHF encrypted radio communication systems and a jam-resistant military data link system between squadron aircraft and between the aircraft and ground control. The navigation system is based on a digital map display with a strap-down inertial navigation system and global positioning system. The aircraft has 12 hardpoints for carrying external weapons and stores. Each wing has 4 hardpoints, 1 on the wingtip and 3 under wing stations. There are 2 hardpoints on the underside of the fuselage on the centerline and 1 under each engine. The aircraft's electronic warfare suite includes a radar warning system, radar jammer, cooperative radar jamming system, missile approach warner, laser warner, and chaff and flare dispenser. The 900mm passive phased array antenna is mounted on a hydraulic actuator for mechanical steering. The electronic steering provides azimuthal and elevation coverage of 60 degrees. With both mechanical and electronic scanning, the coverage is 120 degrees. The radar can detect low observable and stealth aircraft, unmanned air vehicles, and missiles with a radar cross-section of 0.01 square meters at ranges to 90 kilometers. The total fuel capacity is 14,350 liters. In order to increase the unrefueled range and endurance compared to earlier models, the Su-35 incorporates additional tail fin and fin root tanks. The fuel tanks are of aluminum lithium construction and are located in the wings, fuselage, and in the square-tip twin tail fins. The unrefueled range on internal fuel is 1,580 kilometers. The aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 2,390 kilometers per hour. The normal and ferry ranges of the aircraft are 3,600 kilometers and 4,200 kilometers respectively. Number 7. Dassault Rafale. The Rafale, with its omni-role capabilities, is the right answer to the capability approach selected by an increasing number of governments. It fully complies with the requirement to carry out the widest range of roles with the smallest number of aircraft. The Rafale participates in permanent quick reaction alert, air defense, air sovereignty missions, power projection and deployments for external missions, deep strike missions, air support for ground forces, reconnaissance missions, pilot training sorties, and nuclear deterrence duties. The Air Force single-seat Rafale C The Air Force two-seat Rafale B and the Navy single-seat Rafale M feature maximum airframe and equipment commonality and very similar mission capabilities. Thanks to its versatility, its adaptability, and its ability to meet all air mission requirements, the Rafale is the poster child transformational fighter which provides a way forward to air forces confronted to the requirement of doing more with less in an ever-changing strategic and economic environment. Of a moderate size, yet extremely powerful, superbly agile, and very discreet, the latest type of combat aircraft from Dassault Aviation does not only integrate the largest and most modern range of sensors, it also multiplies their efficiency with a technological breakthrough, the multi-sensor data fusion. Number 6. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon consortium is built on the strength of 4 European nations, UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, and their leading aerospace and defense companies, Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. This unrivaled partnership allows equal access to shared manufacturing, development, and the creation of long-lasting political and industrial relations. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multi-role fighter, which is manufactured by a consortium of Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. The aircraft delivers an enviable level of flexibility and efficiency while possessing both adequate weapon availability and sufficient processing power to simultaneously support missile in-flight updates and bomb in-flight targeting. It is a true swing-roll combat aircraft, combining a proven, agile airframe built from stealth materials with the latest sensors, control and weapons systems delivers optimum combat capability, both beyond visual range and in close combat. The performance specifications of the Eurofighter Typhoon make it a benchmarking fighter aircraft in several roles. Extremely powerful, efficient engines, paired with a low gross weight, give it an extraordinary thrust-to-weight ratio. The result is an aircraft that regularly outclasses competitors when it comes to performance evaluations. Only 15% of the aircraft's surface is metal, delivering stealth operation and protection from radar-based systems. It delivers both superior maneuverability at subsonic speeds and efficient supersonic capability to support the widest range of combat scenarios. Cutting-edge engine technology has been a key part of the Eurofighter Typhoon project from the start. Lightweight engines allow the Eurofighter Typhoon to cruise at supersonic speeds without the use of reheat for extended periods. The engines deliver 1,200 flying hours without needing unscheduled maintenance through the use of advanced integrated health monitoring. Number 5. F/A-18EF Super Hornet. The F/A-18 Block 3 Super Hornet is the newest highly capable, affordable, and available tactical aircraft in U.S. Navy inventory. The Super Hornet is the backbone of the U.S. Navy carrier air wing now and for decades to come. The combat-proven Super Hornet delivers cutting-edge, next-generation multi-role strike fighter capability, outdistancing current and emerging threats well into the future. The Super Hornet has the capability, flexibility, and performance necessary to modernize the air or naval aviation forces of any country. 2 versions of the Super Hornet, the single-seat E model and the 2-seat F model, are able to perform virtually every mission in the tactical spectrum, including air superiority, day/night strike with precision-guided weapons, fighter escort, close air support, suppression of enemy air defenses, maritime strike, reconnaissance, forward air control, and tanker missions. The first operational F/A-18EF Super Hornet squadron formed in June 2001 and deployed into combat aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln in July 2002. In April 2005, Boeing delivered the first Block 2 Super Hornet, complete with the world's first tactical multi-mode AESA radar, and it became fully operational at the end of 2007. Block 3 gives the Navy the most networked and survivable F/A-18 built with a technology insertion plan that will outpace future threats. Number 4. Sukhoi Su57. Sukhoi Su57 Felon is a Russian-made, 5th-generation, multi-role fighter aircraft developed for the Russian Air Force. Sukhoi Su57 Felon is a 5th-generation, stealth, multi-role fighter jet developed by United Aircraft, a part of the state-owned defense company Rostec, to destroy various land, airborne, and maritime targets. The Russian Air Force is the primary operator of the aircraft. In 2022, it involved Su-57 Felon in special military operations against Ukraine for launching long-range air-to-surface or air-to-air missiles into Ukraine. The state-of-the-art Su-57 fighter jet features stealth technology. It is developed with the extensive use of composite materials such as polymer, fiberglass, and aluminum load-bearing honeycomb fillers. The materials enable low radar levels and infrared signature, ensuring continued supersonic cruise flight. The aircraft is equipped with 3D thrust vector jets for higher maneuverability. Short takeoffs, network centricity, and multi-role capabilities are the other features that fulfill the criteria for the fifth-generation aircraft. The fighter jet is equipped with a completely new set of integrated avionics featuring a high level of controlled automation and intelligent crew support. It is installed with the most advanced onboard radio-electronic equipment, including the electronic second pilot, which is a powerful onboard computer, and other innovative solutions, such as the placement of the armament inside the fuselage. The onboard avionics systems include active electronically scanned array radar and ELINT systems. The Su-57 is equipped with air-to-surface missiles to take on ground targets and air-to-air missiles for long-range air combat. It is also armed with 30mm air guns for close combat operations. The fighter has two large internal weapons compartments, each capable of carrying up to 4 K-77M air-to-air missiles. Number 3. Chengdu J20. A single-seat, multi-role stealth fighter aircraft, the Chengdu J20 is manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group of China. It is a fifth-generation aircraft being built for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. Its NATO reporting name is Black Eagle. Two prototypes were developed in November 2010 for aerial and ground testing. Potential customers of the J20 are Pakistan, the Middle East, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and African countries. The J20 is designed to execute ground attack missions even in hostile environments. The aircraft can reach higher altitudes with its delta wings and supersonic speeds. It is larger than Sukhoi T-50 and Lockheed Martin F22 Raptor. The front portion of the prototype looks similar to the F22 Raptor and the rear section looks like a Sukhoi T-50. The J-20 features a blended fuselage with low radar cross-section, low jet engine intakes, canard delta configuration, modern fly-by-wire system, diverterless supersonic inlet, V-shaped tail, and tail fins. The J-20 features a glass cockpit enclosed with a bubble-shaped canopy. The cockpit is fitted with two liquid crystal displays and a head-up display. The aircraft can be operated through traditional hands-on throttle and stick system. The J-20 is armed with internal cannon for close-range combat missions. It comprises 8 hardpoints and a large belly weapon bay to incorporate long-range and air-to-air missiles. The maximum speed is 2,100 km per hour. Number 2. F22 Raptor. The Collier Award-winning F22 Raptor has delivered on its promise to provide unprecedented air dominance. The fifth-generation F-22's unique combination of stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness, combined with lethal long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, makes it the best air dominance fighter in the world. Lockheed Martin is focused on the F-22's connectivity with other platforms in support of the Air Force's Joint All-Domain Operations Strategy. When it comes to open systems architecture and digital engineering, there is no better example than the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is a combination of stealth, supercruise, maneuverability, and integrated avionics, coupled with improved supportability, represents an exponential leap in warfighting capabilities. The Raptor performs both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, allowing full realization of operational concepts vital to the 21st century Air Force. A combination of sensor capability, integrated avionics, situational awareness, and weapons provides first-kill opportunity against threats. The F-22 possesses a sophisticated sensor suite allowing the pilot to track, identify, shoot, and kill air-to-air threats before being detected. Significant advances in cockpit design and sensor fusion improve the pilot's situational awareness. The F-22 has a significant capability to attack surface targets. In the air-to-ground configuration, the aircraft can carry two 1,000-pound GBU-32 Joint Direct Attack munitions internally and uses onboard avionics for navigation and weapons delivery support. The Raptor also carries two AIM-120s and two AIM-9s in the air-to-ground configuration. Advances in low observable technologies provide significantly improved survivability and lethality against air-to-air and surface-to-air threats. The F-22 engines produce more thrust than any current fighter engine. The combination of sleek aerodynamic design and increased thrust allows the F-22 to cruise at supersonic airspeeds, greater than 1.5 Mach, without using afterburner, a characteristic known as supercruise. Supercruise greatly expands the F-22's operating envelope in both speed and range over current fighters, which must use fuel-consuming afterburner to operate at supersonic speeds. The sophisticated F-22 aero design, advanced flight controls, thrust vectoring, and high thrust-to-weight ratio provide the capability to outmaneuver all current and projected aircraft. The F-22 has better reliability and maintainability than any fighter aircraft in history. Number 1. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35A is the U.S. Air Force's latest fifth-generation fighter. It replaces the U.S. Air Force's aging fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons and A-10 Thunderbolt IIs, which have been the primary fighter aircraft for more than 20 years, and bring with it an enhanced capability to survive in the advanced threat environment in which it was designed to operate. With its aerodynamic performance and advanced integrated avionics, the F-35A provides next-generation stealth, enhanced situational awareness, and reduced vulnerability for the United States and allied nations. The conventional takeoff and landing F-35A gives the U.S. Air Force and its allies the power to dominate the skies, anytime, anywhere. The F-35A is an agile, versatile, high-performance, 9G-capable multi-role fighter that combines stealth, sensor fusion, and unprecedented situational awareness. The F-35's electronic sensors include the Electro-Optical Distributed Aperture System. This system provides pilots with situational awareness in a sphere around the aircraft for enhanced missile warning, aircraft warning, and day and night pilot vision. Additionally, the aircraft is equipped with the electro-optical targeting system. The internally mounted EOTS provides extended range detection and precision targeting against ground targets, plus long-range detection of air-to-air threats. The F-35's helmet-mounted display system is the most advanced system of its kind. All the intelligence and targeting information an F-35 pilot needs to complete the mission is displayed on the helmet's visor. The F-35's engine produces 43,000 pounds of thrust and consists of a 3-stage fan, a 6-stage compressor, an annular combustor, a single-stage high-pressure turbine, and a 2-stage low-pressure turbine. The F-35 is designed to provide the pilot with unsurpassed situational awareness, positive target identification, and precision strike in all weather conditions. Mission systems integration and outstanding over-the-nose visibility features are designed to dramatically enhance pilot performance. With 9 countries involved in its development, United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Netherlands, Turkey, Canada, Denmark, Norway, and Australia, the F-35 represents a new model of international cooperation, ensuring U.S. and coalition partner security well into the 21st century. I hope you enjoyed today's topic. And if you found the content useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of our latest videos.